Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MDC ka Mawphlang dingyay uba Lamphrang bla hanne kasngi wala peniso elade bat ka National People's Party harangkat bet kinong kersan jong ya uba Lamphrang bla la Pdiang buram sya ka party daw Presiden barangba kaseng Konrad Sangma ha ke jinggedon lang Vice President ka NPP uba Preston Tensong Presiden ka NPP Meghalaya Dr. WR Kharluki kitgot kaseng bat kiwei Hagane kasngi Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya uba Kharluki ula Pynbna ya ka Kyrtong jong uba abla kum Kyrtong jong kaseng na Mawphlang constituency. Habakren hagane kasngi Dr. Kharluki ula yatu ba uba abla utrei hok ya kakam bat namar kata ujob sausin kum MDC. Ula benrap suisu balada ublei umon banjit ya uba abla amdan bala bankang. Nagaliang kinongkren hagane kajingelang kala kentu ya kipajba ban ai kajingkersan ban penjob ya babla bat lada ujob menteri bla unong kersan ya menteri rangba bat kumjuru ya sembut menteri rangba hapo kaying dor bar thawain
ula job hado southern kum UMDC job dari constituency ngai ngam atate balai ujob ngangek badai ubreu ubatrei hok ya kakak namar kata ki pajba ki ai ke senia ba hari kenti ngatharai ke Mawphlang constituency kan ai yang ke senia ko purai da ko penjok ye menteri Lamphrang bla kumu MLA nagni constituency ke jompli ba kumu trei kumu MDC ngatharai untrai kam la susu kumu MLA jogri kathan kabaan habangarong haye swa mangin mi la pelong yi jing duai ba ke jing pule imei jongi pelong imei jongi unjo kaba swa jing mut begini kakam udai belai bejit bat menteri ladau belai umon menjadi pi don bela pengkang dengan scam wa kedinjat rengkat jompi rekat baru belai un kerkhui pi bat hari kepor ada snow tenare ban ai di Pynbna kali kasi bau menteri Lamphrang bela ulong kandidat jong ke NPP na kali ke Mawphlang constituency bak khotlang ni pai ba baro bapin ai ke tingkersan bu pura menta usong hapdeng UCM ba UCM ngadang ong iki bro arbot menteri Lamphrang bala ulong kersan kata assembly pi bro arbot khublai sigon
gayo ni kasi bamata parawan parade UMDC juga Mawphlang ini la Southern, but kalian di UMDC habor kita perkam tak lagi, lagi balong sapi pada, kemudian pembagian ya pi baru hasil UMDC lagi UMDC juga Hima Mawphlang, lagi Arsenal pementeri Pynbna ini contohnya, berkomentari lah, kau berkerja sebagai sekretari, kebakaran barang sekretari ya, Mawphlang di konstitusi, lah terus Pynbna berlapian yang, kalau dia belum UMDC lah Southern, but hajinya sekretari juga, nggak kau bereksipor jadi, ada bukan ki mau jika maka konstitusi hidrosi berat cuma Mawphlang gini, tendai apa yang dia nanti jangan ngasih dia sisa pun UMDC, barang sisa pi dia pi pai babi untuk mereka konstitusi, hal nakapor syakpor, malbuat ke alisah beli, kejuran ki di persoya pada kemudian dari nasa kapur kapat ibah yang dari mentah hari hati bangta kelak tik jaga Malaysia mentah hari ke action sistem sampai hot New York action sistem sampai rumah kejikat kendit kejong Wembley jongi bahas keson berkarno lawan election praktik jaga bagi orang Malaysia mentah hari election kebab mentah jawab kadang bagi semua yang parti NPP kalau dia semua yang ban bagi Indonesia tujuan hari sendiri perkara ajar kue bandung udukar bapura jongka haji nur jonglahi kade banwara yang keroi kapal kasuk kesan kabah kamian hari kejela joni pada i badeng bag parti bag jilam bastat jogidi piromba ba kapelong yang ba Indonesia juga kursi Orang kan sih dari karai pan peniso siang ni kat parti
Suaban po ay sa katakapan. Si Pau tarik unew na ayaw baladet. Kapertay jong ka Mawphlang konsensi kadumngan. Kapertay jong ka Megala Legislative Assembly kadumngan. Ublay ulasimno yawe ururamba. Uba mangang ya day ya jan ya soto jemut ba. Nado kapor bidang long chief engineer baru officer jong ka PhD. Ubang itu kot ibadeng sun. Ngah katu ke jangit ngadon sabar jong ka jela. Habang layo ia ka jingtip. Kapan ketang ia ka donut. Bat ia ka jinggot kecil berkat. Ngipak ia ka jing segaulem nakaliang jong ka parti NPP minta ka jangit. Ya ka yeng ka sem barokawe. Ublay undor rengkat. Bat ka yeng bat ka sem. Jong ibadeng sun. Bat nganget ruh ba inang kerku. Kerpang. Ya ka Mawphlang constituency. Ngatrai po Mawphlang bidang tipla muntakas ni. Kae ka ni ka NPP. Ngan suya to IP ka NPP kaya per na ka UDP kaya per na ka PDF kaya per na ka HSBTP bat kaya pero na ka Kongres bat ka BJP balay nga ong ya per kajing ya per kaday na marba kane ka party mensyemsnem kayo promotion long national party bat kabaneng kong tam ka party NPP na Northeastern States Brockway banyo ya ka national status. Kane kajian namar ka jingker ku ulit PA sama unong ya lambak rau joko megalaya jomi. Udah unong ya lambak rau jong ka Northeastern States jomi. Baru de unong ya lambak rau ubayo ijengay utaw yang kanika party napo Manipur. Ndai balitaw setay-setay. Dekade tang kane ka party kabayo iya kataka status kabagi ong national party. Bat ka NPP ka nongrim ke jongka ka baklan kalong ban yen nakabentaki ritpay nakabentaki tribal haga NPP ngabok dak cingkeli balay kimskaw sarong national presidente ko rasama, Pims kau salon, presiden uday, vice president nasional. What I Mawphlang, unbang niya kajat jong. Namar ong kirew kraw magswa. Utlen ubang tangya ki parakasi. Dengar ko aban ong ya pigi Pynbna. Ngayo man na step ka phone keleng ke bepli, kia ting kia smith. Ngao ki pitong in yen hato nang rim ka baskem. What thing? Ini aja semangat. Ban syakri ya kari ya kajat benriu ya kejela bagi Pynbna kibar ripat om tang hanot is hanrei hapo kari India barokowe. Ngau hawan John, ngakren ya kadang bakia kamse. Dong ini yang teli kawe. Kajat benriu jung ikan kiu. Kejela jung ikan kiu. Ngasenei ya kayeng kasem joba parti kongres. Teng lek Delhi biya mai silok. Utau nongkit kam ka presiden na KA tak mani benduk raap si tayo ngi dia versi lemot national presiden juga warung hayi jopi si kedal asok di problem kata kete ke national party kabana terai Don imat kibom kwa banpek baka parti na Meghalaya kanya jengi haka duryo jong ka politics hapo Delhi don di babisni but don ro kibom kwa lok ba ito niskobha ban pen daw ban pen niyo hakan ka parti NPP jom. Kata kadi ka benta ka baar ka bangapa ban pensay ban pensuthu hakan ka jamit. Ko kan mau ko kilog kami ko kilog pa. Ko ki khod samla ba I. Wat penleno ay ka bot ka jopi. Hakalay tho kare. Dadem hatmat joble. Siwa bapin ay kabut joki. Kenang bapin babikala. Pateng la pateng. Kumlay siya jago.
Friends, our Deputy Chief Minister was telling you about how the National People's Party has grown. There was a time when the National People's Party only had 2 MLAs. 2 MLAs in the whole country. And slowly, steadily, within a matter of 8 years, the party today has MLAs in Arunachal Pradesh, has ministers in Manipur, has MLAs in Nagaland, and of course, we are heading the government here in Meghalaya. And this has all become possible because people believe in the constitution of this party. People believe in the vision and the goals that this party has. And the National People's Party has always maintained that we will fight for the rights of our people. We will always keep the interests of our people from the Northeast in front. We will always keep the interests of tribal community in front. And this constitution of our party have supported us throughout the Northeast. And in a record time, the National People's Party has achieved something that no other political party in the whole country could achieve in such a short time, which was to become a national party. But the beauty of National People's Party is this, that we may be a party that is a national party, but our mindset is on the regional importance and on the regional issues of our state and of our region. That is the beauty of this party. If you look at any other national party, like the BSP, their political party is formed by different states in the central part of India. But the National People's Party is a party that is formed purely by the states of the Northeast. Purely. And that is the strength of this party. And that is why today we have our Honorable MDC, Mantri Bla, who has also realized that there is no future continuing with the Congress. He has realized that the Congress party is disintegrating throughout the country. He has realized that today the Congress party, even at the national level, only has a temporary president. Even after 3 years, they were not able to elect a leader. If the leadership is not there, who will make the party grow? And that is why today, Congress is disintegrating. There is no use being in a sinking ship. And that's why we are very happy and welcome Mantri Bla and the entire supporters and leaders who have worked term after term for him to make him MDC again and again. And I would like to once again take this opportunity to welcome Mantri Bla and all his supporters to the National People's Party. And I can assure you that together we will work, we will win this election, we will move forward this constituency, and together we will take our state forward. Friends, in this last 3.5 years, this government has faced many challenges, many difficulties. There were many incidents that we faced where there was law and order situation. Anything could have happened. But Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, all the cabinet colleagues, whenever a law and order situation came up, we used to discuss together. That all the people who are involved, or the complexity that is there right now, whatever is happening, these are our people. These are not enemies from across the border or from some other country. These are our people. And therefore, while we deal with the law and order situation in a firm manner, we must protect the lives of our citizens. We must not do anything where our citizens will be harmed. So be firm, maintain the law and order, but ensure that our citizens are protected. In many law and order situations that we faced, you must have seen that not a single life was lost. We have made sure that we maintain the law and order situation by taking our people into confidence. by taking the community and society into confidence. And that is how we would like to move forward, but maintain our firmness in terms of the law and order situation. When it came to development aspects, if you look in the last 3.5 years, the amount of schemes, the number of roads, the number of schools, the number of colleges that this government has built cannot be matched by anybody. Our Deputy Chief Minister must have shared with you the number of kilometers of roads and the amount that has been spent when it came to PWD. Under his leadership, the department has performed excellently, with the maximum number of roads being sanctioned and completed in the last 3.5 years. It was this government that started the program for benefit and welfare of the farmers. No other government has given so much importance to farmers as this government has given. It is this government that has pushed entrepreneurs and allowed our youth to start different businesses. No other government has given the push to entrepreneurship and to small businesses and to the youth like we have. It is this government that has come out with a youth policy, come out with a sports policy, come out with the education policy, come out with the PPP policy, come out with the act which makes it mandatory to give public service within a specific time. He has dedicated so many years to the people of Mawphlang, selflessly, never looking into it that what is there for me. He has sacrificed his life, his family, everything to ensure that he's able to give time to people of Mawphlang. And now, he wants to do more. He wants to take the work that he's been doing to a new level. And as was being mentioned by our candidate of MDC from HSPDP, these kind of programs and these kind of ideas cannot be planned by us. It's a planning from above. It is meant to be that this particular situation came up. Mantri Bla was keen to contest. The other party leaders from different parties were keen to support. And somehow everybody from different directions all came together and have joined the NPP and are going to support. This means that there is already a plan from above. And I strongly believe it. I strongly believe it. Sometimes it's not possible as human beings to plan such complicated operations, such complicated programs. But what has happened today, where we have people from HSPDP, we have people from Congress, we have people from different political parties and from NPP all coming together today to support Mantri Bla. There must be some quality in this man which has pulled all of us together. And today we are all here to support him and take it forward. I always tell when I'm in election that I'm not here today as Chief Minister or I'm not here today as a party president. I am here as a simple worker of the party and a simple worker of the Mantri Bla. And I am willing to work with all of you. Of course, I'll be concentrating also in Garo Hills and in Morankning also. But as per the desire of our candidate, whenever he would want, I will be here to campaign for him in whatever capacity that he feels is appropriate, so that
ngawer pi kinong Mawphlang baro lana pihak jungut bangaw bakren lana like rock porlin ngilapoy nem sa sorga basok ngilapoy nem da basok ngilapoy nagtakataw ban pener ngiu ban penksan ya uri orang ba jongi unong ya ram barat ba jong kasih jongi menta ima perston tongi thap piklang nakang ta kami ke project keban kesorkar kelawara kabalai NPP is a national party.